Okay. Hi everyone. This is review retro for Sprint 159 and planning for Sprint 160 for SugarLearning project. So let's start with the review and retro. And Sprint goal was investigating what needs to be done to revive WeChat mini app for SugarLearning, and a new epic was added to the backlog. And it was 1 week sprint. Product owner Nixie and attendees as listed. Totally 77.3 hours was built by myself, Ozair, and Nick. And this is a quick overview for the last sprint. We have completed sprint goal, and we have changed the navbar color for local staging and production differently. So, for example, if I go to staging, it will show this top bar background color is in blue, but for production, it will show in red. Okay. And also, we have updated documentation to mention these specific colors when new developers come to SugarLearning project. Yep. There's also about page is in progress. Yeah, there's also we need the about page. We need to make additional formatting change, and also we need to change about page on sugarlearning.cn. Yeah.
Baba, did you want to quickly pull up the current about page, please?
Yeah, sure. And if I go down, about, this is how it looks like. Ozair, do you want to speak about that formatting you mentioned?
Yes, means like the content has been approved and it's been updated, but we just need to fix few formatting. If you scroll down all the way down, Baba.
Yeah.
So in the why choose SugarLearning. So in this, we are actually telling about our system, what kind of functionality is being provided to the client, but these all are in bullet points, which are inconsistent with the other format of the document. So we're going to remove these bullet points. That's all. Thank you, Bob.
Okay. Okay, let's move on. And total 76% of the estimated work was done with 4 commits.
Baba, just going back to that chart.
Yeah.
Note that we ended up needing to bring in additional work.
Oh yeah.
So the yellow line there indicates the additional items that were pulled into the sprint.
Yeah. Thank you, Nick. Line coverage have remained the same at 24.8%, and there was 2 deployments to global production and China production. And failed requests has increased from 645 to 971. As you can see, there was a spike on 28th of August when IDEN server was deployed, and most of these failed requests are 401 unauthorized requests. And from here, we can see this blue spike, which is 401 failed requests. Total unique users have decreased from 98 to 95, and authenticated users have increased from 66 to 71.
Just regarding the count of authenticated users, so we have previously had issues with the count from the dashboard not matching the leaderboard. After the work conducted last sprint, that count is now matching.
Yeah. And SugarLearning China are seeing 2 unique users and 1 authenticated user. State of epics, AF core migration has remained the same at 45%, and also new epic was added to revive WeChat mini app. And we didn't do any experimental work for the last sprint. And about retrospective, Nick commented that we did more work than expected. What didn't go so well, others commented that couldn't complete about page due to formatting and additional work on Channify. Yep. I'm happy to move on to planning.
Just briefly with regards to the Epic for reviving the mini app, we're estimating that work would require 4 weeks for one person to conduct.
Okay. Let's move to planning. So for sprint 160, the sprint goal will be continuing the work on AF core migration, and so adding a test for company user batch repository, and it will be 1 week sprint. And the next sprint review meeting will be on 10th September. And attendees as listed. And this is a quick overview of sprint backlog for 160. And there's one PBI, which is advertising Channify SugarLearning and making video. So Tino will be working on this one. Do you have any questions for other PBIs?
So with regards to personnel, Baba is proceeding to join SSW rules. So Ozair will be undertaking the majority of the work.
Yeah. Thank you. Yeah, thank you all for joining SugarLearning Sprint Review Retro Planning Meetings, and summary for sprint meetings will be uploaded on this channel. See you next week.